It's Sets and Reps, the podcast, and I am, of course, your host, Greg Adonian. I am just going to announce a few of the exciting things that you can expect from me coming up to the close of this year. Huge shout out to all of the support, all the listens, all the likes and follows, all of the feedback, all of the words and the kind considerations I get about how much my show means to some of you. We've had a lot of great guests on the show, and to share just how great they are, I want to streamline and create a very large piece of content for you all. Before I announce that, what I'm going to do first is just kind of share with you the fact that I know how inconsistent my episode uploading has been. Usually that's because I have had a pretty full week with assignments as a student, wearing my student hat, and then also my personal trainer hat is being worn when I'm not at school. So the podcaster hat is kind of being thrown on when I need to put out an episode. The focus for me has been on kind of these few exciting new announcements that I have. So the first announcement is going to be that the Sets and Reps website will be out by the end of this year. I don't have an exact date yet, but my website creator and I have been really hard at work on this, and I am excited to solidify this show and put it into existence to give you listeners a home that you can turn to find all the episodes that have been released, to find all of the guests and the information that they have for the services that they offer or the things that they can sell, and all of my blog content. And I really am just excited for you to be able to use that as a resource to really connect with me and to connect more with my show. Episode number 50 will be the final episode in series number 1 of Sets and Reps. So that first announcement is the website coming out by the end of the year. Second announcement to tag along with the website is that large piece of content I was talking about. And it's actually going to be several pieces of content, one video every day over the course of the last 3 weeks of December, taking you into the new year with 21 meditations on putting in the reps. A while ago, I released a short 2-minute video called The 3 Eyes of Putting in the Reps. I'm going to leave a link in this video for you to go and check that out, just as a brief refresher going into viewing and absorbing this. It's going to be inspect, intent, and integrate. And each video over the course of the 7 days of that week is going to be all around the theme. And the theme is going to be one of those eyes. For example, the first week is going to be inspect, and all of the videos are going to be from my previous podcast episodes. And I'm going to use this as a way to take the information that I've learned from my amazing guests and present it to you in a way that's a little bit more cohesive. So I'm very excited about that. And after all of those episodes come to fruition, we're going to have a free ebook for you to download from the website. And the ebook, of course, is going to just be the 21 meditations putting in the reps in readable format. Continuing with more content, you can expect a short IGTV series from me coming out that is going to explore all kinds of interesting, shocking, and outstandingly bad injuries or physical conditions. And you can think of this as true crime meets the human body. So I'm going to be talking to all kinds of people, clinicians, specifically, as well as trainers and massage therapists and other people who do body work, but also people who have had injuries in really interesting cases that you don't hear about a lot. So they're going to be rare. In addition, we also have another Nerd Splurge video coming out. So if you know Nerd Splurge, that is a separate stream of content aside from Sets and Reps, where I am joined actually by my co-host Josh Hartling, and we talk about all kinds of pop culture, comic book, superhero things, and we've got a really exciting interview with a surprise guest. So I'm very excited about all of those new developments, and I hope you are too. I really encourage you to keep listening, because knowing that just 10 people or 15 have come on to listen to what I had to say it just means a lot to me, and it makes me that much more motivated to help you crush and attain your goals through the everyday maximum output that you know is going to get you the results that you need. So keep liking, keep sharing with someone that you feel like would benefit from this, and I will keep on the task, on the path. All right, guys, thank you so much. I am going to sign off now. Peace.